To my handsome groom.
To my beautiful bride.
It's hard to believe that our special day has finally arrived.
One look at you.
After 12 wonderful years, today is the day you finally become my wife.
I feel so happy that I get to spend the rest of my life with you.
You make me a better person every day and build me up in every way.
Before I called you mine, oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
Our love story began over 12 years ago.
I get to love you.
I feel like the luckiest person in the world to be standing in front of you today.
It's unbelievable that I get a chance to promise myself to the person I consider my greatest friend.
The way you love, it changes who I am. I am undone. Nothing God wants again. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't